बेकायदेशीर इमारतीविशीं हायकोर्टान आफिडाफीट मागल्या. हायकोर्टाक उत्तर आनी दक्षिण गोंयच्या कलेक्टरांकडल्यान आनी पालिका संचालकांकडल्यान आफिडाफीट मेळ्ळ्यो, मात पंचायतीच्या संचालकान आनीक वेळ मागलो.
Today the matter was taken up by the High Court and the government on behalf of Collector and Collector North and Collector South, two affidavits were filed. There was one affidavit that was filed on behalf of Director of Municipal Administration. Basically in those affidavits we explained to the court as to what steps which have been taken by the government, the Collector and the Director of Municipal Administration. On behalf of Director of Panchayat, we sought some time to file an affidavit. The court has now granted 2 weeks time to all of the parties, including the panchayats and municipalities, to file their respective affidavits. And based on that, the amicus curiae is supposed to give his comments on the affidavits being filed by all the parties. Thereafter, the court will take up the matter for further consideration.
प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार.